Good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are fit and fine. Students, in the previous video, we have read that division means equal sharing and equal grouping. Do you know? We can do division by repeated subtraction. Okay. So, what is the topic of the day? Division, repeated subtraction. In this we count the number of steps or number of times one number is subtracted from the other number. Okay, let us understand this concept through the following examples. Okay, students, as I told you that division is repeated subtraction. What basically I mean to say that division is repeated subtraction is that if we are going to divide the divisor from the dividend, how we will solve? Let's see. Now, for example, 10 divided, 10 minus 2 is 10 divided by 2 is 5. Okay, we all know that the number which is divided is called as dividend, and the number by which we have divided it is called as divisor, and the result of division is called as quotient. Okay, so students, now what we have to do? Now we will solve it. 10 minus 2 is 8. Okay, 10 minus 2 is 8. Now whatever the result we will get, we will be subtracting 2 from this. Okay, whatever the result. How? Let's see. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. Now 8 will be come over here. So 8 minus 2 is 6. Then this 6 will come over here. Okay, so 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Now this 4 will come over here. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Okay, beta. Now listen, students, you have to do it until you will not get the 0 or a number lesser than this divisor. Okay, this is divisor. So you have to do this process until you will not get 0 or a number lesser than this divisor. Let's see. Now 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Now you have got 0, then you will stop. Okay, either you should get 0 or a number which is lesser than this divisor. Now we have got 0. Now let's count how many steps we have taken to go through this. Let's count the steps. Students, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Step number 1, 2, 3, 4, and step number 5. So we have taken these 5 steps to get the 0. Students, is it quotient? Yes. Now you can see here how many steps? 5. We have taken 5 steps to get the 0. Okay, and now is it quotient? Yes. You can see here quotient. Is it same like this? It is same like this. Quotient is 5, and how many steps we have taken? We have also taken 5 steps. Okay, here the 5 steps are involved in this process. So this is the reason that division is repeated subtraction. So number of steps involved over here will be equal to quotient, or we can say that the result of division. You can see here beta, the number of steps involved over here will be equal to quotient, or we can say that the result of division. Here the result of division is 5 and steps 5 steps are involved, so it is the same like quotient. Okay, now I hope you all have understood this concept, division, repeated subtraction. Now I am sending a worksheet related to this topic. You have to solve it. Thank you and have a nice day.